Alright, so today we are going to be learning how to graph equations in the slope-intercept form. So there are four main points when it comes to graphing slope-intercept equations. So the first step, get y alone. By that, I mean you need to have the slope-intercept equation, y equals mx plus b. This is what I mean by get y alone. You must set it up in the slope-intercept equation. Step 2, you're going to begin on b. So for example, wherever the y-intercept is, you just need to graph it. Graph the y-intercept. Graph that. Step 3, you need to move with m. By that, I mean you need to start from the y-intercept and move with m. That means, remember, that slope is rise over run. From the y-intercept, you will rise and then run. Step 4, we're going to graph it. These may seem a little vague right now, but once I show you the examples, hopefully it will make a little bit more sense. Alright, so what I want you to do now is to pause this video and open up a new tab online, and I want you to go to this website. This website is a video on YouTube. It's just a fun video which will help you to remember how to graph linear equations. Once you've watched the video, feel free to watch it again. It is catchy and it will stick in your head. But once you finish watching the video, come back to this video, and then you will just move forward like usual. So pause this video, open up a new window on the internet, and watch this video and enjoy. So now we have an equation that I need to graph it. So we have this equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Remember, first step, get y alone. So we have to make it into y equals mx plus b form. So we'll move this 3x over to the right side. So to do that, we will subtract 3x, so that cancels out. All we have left is 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. Now to get y alone, divide by 2, divide everything by 2. So the 2's cancel out, and y is equal to negative 3 over 2 x plus, and what's 6 divided by 2? 3. So now we have our equation. Y is equal to negative 3 over 2, or 3 halves, x plus 3. So we got y alone. Next step is to start with b. So b in this equation is 3. So start with 3 at 3 comma 0 on the y-intercept. Now move with m. Remember, that's where our slope is. So think of this as a negative 3. So that's down 3. And then when you run 2, go to the right since it's a positive 2. Then you run 2, it's positive 2 to the right. So we make our point here. Now that we have our 2 points, all we have to do, draw a line. And this is our graph for 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. And this is our graph. So now what I want you to do is, I want you to graph it. I want you to try 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. So pause the video, unpause the video when you're ready to see what I've done. Alright, first step, Remember, we have to get y by itself, so I'll move this 3x over to the right side. So we'll be subtracting 3x, so that cancels out. All we have left on the left side is a negative 4y is equal to negative 3x plus 12. Now we need to get y by itself. Divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. So in this case, y is equal to a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So we'll just write y is equal to 3/4 x. And a positive 12 divided by a negative 4 is a negative. So think of this as a negative 3. So now we have our equation. Y is equal to 3x, or y is equal to 3/4 x minus 3. So now we got y alone. Next stop, start on b. That is negative 3. Then we move with m. M is 3/4. So we're going to rise 3, 2, 3, run 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot the point there. Draw the line to connect them. And this is our graph for 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Quick review, these are the steps. I'm sure it's stuck in your head. Step 1, get y alone. Step 2, begin on b. Step 3, move with m. Step 4 is to graph.